In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a design as a Word document in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take any design you've created in Canva and download it as a file you can open and edit in Microsoft Word. Let's start with your design already open in Canva. This could be anything: a worksheet, a simple flyer, a text-heavy document, or even a presentation you want to convert into a Word file. Make sure you're happy with how it looks, especially the text, because that's what will matter most once it's in Word. When you're ready, look towards the top right-hand corner of the Canva editor. You'll see a button labeled Share. This is the same button you might use to send your design to someone else, but it's also where Canva keeps all of the download options. Go ahead and click on that Share button. Once the Share menu opens, you'll see several choices like sharing a link, inviting people to edit, or posting directly to social media. For this video, we're interested in getting a file onto your computer, so find and click the option that says Download. This tells Canva that you want to save a copy of your design. After you click Download, a panel will appear with a few settings. One of the most important settings here is the file type. By default, Canva usually selects a common option like PNG or PDF. Since we want a Word document, we need to change that. Click on the drop-down menu or button that says File Type. This will open a list of all the different formats you can export to. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled DOCX or Microsoft Word or Docs, depending on how Canva names it in your version. This is the format that Word uses. Click to select it. If your design has multiple pages, you can also choose whether to download all pages or just specific ones, but if you're unsure, leaving it set to all pages is usually best. Once you've set the file type to Docs, click the main download button. Canva will prepare your file, which might take a few moments, and then it will save to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in Microsoft Word and make any final edits you need.